Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change Microsoft account laptop. To start, open Settings from the Start menu. You can see the current account. You are going to go to the Account section and then you will access your info. Here, click on Sign in with a local account instead. Click Next, enter the password to continue, and then you can leave the spaces blank to log in without a password. Click Next, and then sign out and finish to complete this step. You're going to sign into the system again. After that, click on Start, then on your profile and click on Change Account Settings. You will see that it is a local account. Click Sign in with a Microsoft account instead. Complete the account information to use. You must enter your current password and then assign an access PIN. You can see that the Microsoft account on the laptop has been changed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.